Here's a pair of the JLab JBuds Lux Headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So let's first put this in a pairing mode, okay? So we looked at one side here, we have all the buttons here. This button here on the bottom is basically your power / Bluetooth button, okay? So these headphones are actually on right now. Let me turn these off first. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. It just said JLab off. Okay, now let's turn these on. I'm gonna press and hold for a few seconds again. JLab on. Mine said Bluetooth connected, okay? What we want though is a blue and red blinking light, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, but that didn't happen because I'm connected to a different device. So my options now is go to my other device. I'm connected to my iPhone here. I can turn off Bluetooth, I can disconnect, or I can unpair or forget device. If I do any of those three things to my iPhone right now, as soon as I do that, then this will start blinking blue, red, okay? Now, another way around it is, what we can do is just turn it off. I'm gonna press and hold for a few seconds. Okay, JLabs are off now. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press and hold that button and keep holding until it starts blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. All right, do it together. Ready? Go. Hold it. JLab on, still holding. Ready to pair, and now we're blinking blue, red, blue, red. So now we're in pairing mode. Now we gotta hurry up, jump on our Android phone here. And as soon as I logged in, I get this pop up here. If you get this message here, you can tap on connected. Okay, if not, no biggie. We can simply just go to settings. And then from your settings, you wanna go to your connections on this phone here at least, and go to Bluetooth, go to your Bluetooth settings. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and this is still in pairing mode, it's blinking blue, red. And if you see under available devices, these are all the devices that's near me that's available for pairing, okay? That's in pairing mode. So I see the JLab JBuds Lux here. It popped up, it says pairing. I'll get a pairing request here for my Android phone. I'll tap on pair. And it said connected for calls and audio, and I got 100% battery juice remaining here. And we're connected, and the volume rockers should work. Yep, volume rockers work as well. Now, if you had any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these as well. If you want to do that, look in the link below in the description area.